In the late summer of 1977, from the quiet coast of Cape Canaveral, a small golden spacecraft rose toward the heavens. Its name was Voyager 1. It was not merely a machine of metal and wire, but a message, a creation born from the courage, imagination, and relentless curiosity of humankind. When its engines ignited, the Earth trembled beneath it. A roaring column of fire lifted it through the sky, piercing the clouds, carrying with it a single question that has haunted us for as long as we've looked up at the stars. What lies beyond our world? Few imagined it would last. Voyager's mission was supposed to be short, just 5 years, to study Jupiter and Saturn, to witness their storms, their rains, and the strange, frozen moons that danced around them. But destiny had other plans. Voyager refused to stop. It kept moving, kept listening, kept exploring. Outliving every expectation, this small probe, no bigger than a compact car, became humanity's most daring traveler, our eyes and ears in the cosmic dark. Built in an era before the internet, before smartphones, before the digital age itself, Voyager turned the silence of deep space into a story. Through its cameras and instruments, it revealed wonders we had only dreamed of. Jupiter's churning tempests larger than Earth, Saturn's shimmering rings, and moons like Europa and Enceladus that hid oceans beneath icy crusts. Each image, each byte of data, whispered a deeper truth: that exploration has no end, and even the smallest messenger can uncover the infinite. As the years passed, Voyager drifted farther from home, beyond the reach of sunlight, beyond the familiar pull of our star. It became not just a spacecraft, but a storyteller of the cosmos, a lone historian, chronicling the quiet conversations between the stars. Along its path, it detected something strange: hundreds of mysterious, faintly glowing clouds scattered through the interstellar dark. Scientists believe these are the fading remnants of stars long dead, clouds of ionized gas, ancient stardust drifting through eternity. Each one carries a record of time itself, the ashes of creation slowly becoming the seeds of new worlds. Voyager showed us that in the universe, nothing truly ends. Even in death, there is renewal. Then came Voyager's greatest moment. In August of 2012, after more than 3.5 decades in flight, it crossed an invisible frontier, the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence fades and the true realm of the galaxy begins. In that instant, humanity took its first step into interstellar space. For the first time, something made by human hands had left the cradle of the solar system and entered the vast ocean beyond. Voyager became our first true ambassador to the stars. But every triumph carries a shadow. Voyager's heart is powered by 3 small generators, each fueled by the slow decay of plutonium. In 1977, they glowed bright, feeding power to cameras, heaters, and instruments. But the decades have dimmed that light. One by one, systems have gone dark. Engineers at NASA were forced to make heartbreaking decisions: which instruments to silence, which memories to preserve. Even so, Voyager endures. Against the odds, it still speaks, though its voice is now faint, a whisper that travels over 23 billion kilometers, taking more than 21 hours to reach home. When those signals finally arrive, they are little more than static, thin threads of data buried in cosmic noise. And yet, NASA's giant radio antennas still listen. Every fragment, every pulse of light from Voyager is a message from the edge of the unknown. Even now, after nearly half a century, it continues to surprise us. It has recorded the density and energy of interstellar plasma, showing that the space between stars is not empty at all, but alive, filled with the echoes of long-dead suns and ancient storms that ripple across eternity. Through this faint voice, we have learned that even in the endless void, there is movement, sound, and life's faint reflection. But Voyager carries more than data. Bolted to its side is a message, the golden record, a time capsule crafted by the hands and hearts of Earth. Encased in gold, etched with care, it carries greetings in dozens of languages, the laughter of children, the crash of ocean waves, the rustle of wind and rain, and music from across the ages. Bach, Beethoven, Blind Willie Johnson. It holds the essence of humanity, our art, our sounds, our pulse. A message that says simply, we were here. We lived. We dreamed. One day soon, Voyager's light will fade. Its last generator will fall silent, its instruments will freeze, and its faint heartbeat, a stream of electrons that has crossed billions of kilometers, will vanish into the dark. But silence is not an ending. Even without power, Voyager will continue to drift, endlessly, gracefully, between the stars. Long after its makers are gone. Long after our cities crumble to dust. Long after the sun itself swells into a red giant and the Earth becomes a memory lost to time, Voyager will still be there, gliding through the galactic night. For perhaps billions of years, it will wander through the Milky Way, untouched, unclaimed, a relic of a civilization that once dared to dream. The sun will be just another distant point of light among hundreds of billions, and still Voyager will carry our voice, our curiosity, our hope. Somewhere deep within its golden record lies the laughter of our children, the sound of thunder, the call of a mother saying hello to the universe. Waiting. Enduring. And maybe, someday, millions of years from now, another intelligence, explorers like us, will find it. They may open it, listen, and hear the heartbeat of our world. They will learn that once, on a small blue planet orbiting an ordinary star, there lived a species that reached beyond its cradle. A species that wanted to know. To understand. To connect. And across that impossible distance, across light years and time, they will feel what we once felt, wonder, curiosity, and awe. Voyager will have become a bridge, a thread linking civilizations that never met, hearts that never beat in the same age. It will pass through star-forming regions, through the debris of ancient suns, through the soft glow of interstellar dust. Micrometeorites will scar its skin, radiation will slowly wear at its frame, but still it will endure, a golden messenger sailing forever through the dark sea of space. Every 1,000 years, it will drift a little farther. In 100 million, it may cross near another star, its golden record catching the faint shimmer of alien light. And in that moment, for just a heartbeat of cosmic time, the message from Earth may shine again, a reflection of who we were, and what we dared to be. Voyager is not just a spacecraft. It is a monument to human wonder, proof that even a fragile species on a small blue world can reach across eternity and say, we were here. Because exploration was never about the destination. It was always about the journey, the courage to face the unknown. Voyager's signal may one day fade, but its story will never die. It will drift forever through the galactic dark, a golden whisper carrying the dreams of humanity, moving outward, always outward, into the endless, beautiful night.